Health Ministry announced in the daily briefing that the government is working with 12 private laboratory chains for testing. These 12 have 15,000 collection centers across the country. 12 laboratory chains have been registered and they have started functioning, while the rates of sanitizers and masks have been capped. 415 confirmed cases have been reported so far, 23 patients discharged, while 7 deaths reported in the country. As India fights to contain the spread of coronavirus, 80 cities including Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Bangalore have gone into lockdown. There is a complete lockdown in 19 states and union territories and partial curbs in 6 states. In Karnataka, food, milk, fish, meat and grocery services to function. Certain parts of Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh shall also go into lockdown, and Telangana has sealed its border and public transportation has been banned. In Goa, tourist buses have been banned. Amid lockdown orders in various states, confusion, chaos and traffic jams prevailed at Ghazipur on Uttar Pradesh-Delhi border on Monday morning as police personnel were seen struggling to prevent those who were unnecessarily attempting to cross the border. The chaos also led to stopping of regular vehicles at the border and delaying the entry of essential vehicles and people who have been exempted from the lockdown orders by the government. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation on Monday issued several guidelines on social distancing for airlines and airport operators as a number of cases in India soared to 415 and the government clamped a lockdown in many states, from requesting flyers to keep a distance of minimum 1 meter at check-in counters, waiting areas and during security checks. The regulatory body also asked authorities to provide sanitizers for staff and passengers at the aircraft gates. AIIMS has issued an order to shut down the OPD including specialty services, all new and follow-up patients registration from March 24th till further orders. The Premier Institute had earlier decided to temporarily suspend the routine walk-in OPD registration of patients from March 23rd as it redirects its resources to control the COVID-19 outbreak. As the number of coronavirus cases in India rose to 415 on Monday, the centre warned of legal action against those violating the lockdown in 19 states and union territories, which has been enforced to curtail the pandemic. Those found violating the lockdown orders is likely to face 6 months of jail or rupees 1,000 as a penalty under Section 188 of the Indian Penal Code. The Japanese Prime Minister said that postponing the Tokyo Olympics may be inevitable as pressure grows from the athletes and sport bodies. The 2020 Games were scheduled to open on July 24th. At least training across the world have been thrown into turmoil and qualifiers have been cancelled due to the COVID-19 outbreak.